Hi, welcome to this Die Designer video tutorial. For this video, we are going to look at combined drawings. And if you go up to the Design Aids menu, scroll down to Combined Drawings or DM from the command line, it will bring up the Combined Drawings dialog box. And what this is, in this first box, this list box, it's a list of all the drawings in a project. In this case, the project name, and I'll talk about the naming requirements for this to function, is the D2047. We have a dash as a separator, and then the 1, in this case, it's sheet 1. So it finds all the D2047 drawings in a project and selects them all by default. Now you can select a single drawing. You can select multiple drawings, but for all intents and purposes, you're usually going to combine all the drawings of the project into one. This is the save location, which is the location of the currently open drawing, and then this is the prompted name of the combined drawing. So in this case, it's just the project name without the dash or a sheet number. This can be whatever you want. You can highlight it, type in whatever you want. And yeah, let me take you through the help. We have our description. We have our command line of DM, and we have our menu location, design aids, combined drawings. These notes, like to take you through these because for this combined drawings to function, there is a requirement as to how you name your individual drawings. And the naming convention is as follows. We have our project name, which should not contain either a period or a dash. Okay, the dash will be a separator to separate the project name from the sheet number, and then the sheet number should be a non-zero positive integer. In this example right here, you see D2000 is the project name, dash is the separator, and 15 would be sheet 15 in the design. We also have the video demonstration to watch this video. Now, the reason I personally design all sheets in separate drawing files is it really goes back a little bit to old school when computers were a lot slower and you had a massive design and it kind of bogged your computer down to a crawl. But there's other reasons too. I know computers are a lot faster now, and but it does keep a very neat, tight, small drawing size when you're working through that. And I'll show you a couple reasons why I still do that to this day. Let me close out of here. As you notice, we're on sheet 1 right now. If you come over here to the right side of the drawing, we have these, the right arrow and the left arrow. So I can quickly toggle through by hitting the next to the, all the other sheets in the design, and then I can hit back and go back. So I can quickly cycle through all these sheets in the design without having all 17 of them opened at once, and that's one reason. Another reason for the separate sheet numbers for the naming is for the leader balloons, and actually the split leader balloons in this case, LB. When you leader balloon, the top, well, let me take that back. On the split leader balloons, the top number, the 6 in this case, is the detail number. The 10 is the sheet that you can find that detail on. So if you have a large design with a lot of details, trying to find, well, what detail is that? Oh, that's this one here. Well, trying to find that with a couple hundred or a few hundred details, where it is in the design can be kind of hard. So in this case, it's on sheet 10. When you initially do the leader balloon command, the split leader balloon, this 10 would be a dash. The 6 would be there, but the 10 would be a dash. Then, when you run the bill of materials program, and it finds all the details, it will change that dash to whatever sheet number it found that detail on. In this case, it found detail 6 on sheet 10. Over here, it found detail 12 on sheet 13. So, it allows you to drill down and find stuff pretty darn quickly. So that's a reason I continue to design with separate sheets to this day. But anyways, going back to combining them, if we go to combine drawings, we're going to leave the default, all the drawings selected. We'll leave the default project name and just click OK. So yeah, take a second here in this case. And as you noticed, it opened the new drawing, D2047, and that would be the combined drawing. And that's exactly what it did. It combined all the sheets in the design. It labeled each one, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and so on. So yeah, kind of simple. But simple things are easier to deal with than complex things. So it's an easy thing to combine your drawings, and yeah, hopefully you find some use for this, and thanks for watching. Got a couple videos, a lot of videos coming up, but the next one will be Visual Block Library. Really neat video, a lot of power in this where you can add data and catalog numbers to specific components, create multiple libraries, and yeah, so check back in the next couple days, the week or so, and that video should be up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.